Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce the 2016 Elton R. Smith Award recipient, Angela Shannon.
What was so cool about this is I am from Allegan County. I'm born and raised, and that's where Elton was from, so that's pretty cool. And obviously the farming is something I enjoy and I love, and the reason why is because the farmers work so hard and they're so trustworthy, and I can take whatever they say to the bank. So I'm just truly honored to accept the Elton R. Smith Award. Farm Bureau means the world to me, and I have great respect for the four managing partners, Carl, Lauren, Patrick, and Matt. Thank you for all your support and direction. I know our company is going great places due to our corporate staff steering the ship, so thank you all for your leadership and passion for our company.